If you're looking to work with a BigCommerce partner agency, you have come to the right place. There are probably 100 different BigCommerce agencies to choose from. First of all, why would you work with an agency? You could go to Upwork.com and get access to hundreds of freelancers. If you're a business that does over a few $1 million in revenue, and if you're looking to grow, you probably should not work with a freelancer. The reason is simple. You are not a project manager. You are not a QA engineer. A freelancer will do any type of work for you, regardless of it being marketing, content, design, development, migration, but you will need to check the work and you will need to guide the freelancer in the right direction. When you work with a BigCommerce agency, you're going to get a team of people to be on your account. For example, if you are migrating from Shopify or another platform to BigCommerce, you're going to get access to a project manager, a project director, a back-end developer, a front-end developer, a UI UX designer, a QA engineer, possibly a copywriter, an SEO expert that's going to make sure the 301 redirects are done properly, and a client coordinator. Now, at Optimum 7, we do about 100 to 200 projects annually for any e-commerce business that's on BigCommerce. If you have any questions at all about the capabilities of BigCommerce or a specific functionality on BigCommerce, we will be happy to help. If you want to know why BigCommerce might be the best platform for you, watch the rest of this video. How is BigCommerce better than Shopify? Well, we have hundreds of clients on Shopify. We have hundreds of clients on BigCommerce. So we have a pretty good sample size to benchmark from. Of course, there are things that Shopify does better than BigCommerce. Like their app infrastructure is a lot better than BigCommerce, but most people don't know or they don't care that most of those apps significantly slow down your website. They significantly decrease your conversions. So I don't want to be on Shopify because I have access to thousands and thousands of apps that I might not need. BigCommerce, on the other hand, cares about the customers. They have much better support than Shopify. Their enterprise support is so much better than Shopify. You can get access to their engineers directly. With Shopify, you cannot. BigCommerce cares about their partners. And if you actually look at their product roadmap, they are releasing so much functionality. BigCommerce just launched a multi-store functionality. They're better with B2B and B2B functionalities. They're pushing omnichannel, which is very, very important. I've been begging Shopify to create a marketplace for years. I don't know why they haven't done this. Even though BigCommerce is not creating a marketplace, they do understand the omnichannel potential. That's why they purchased Feedonomics. And I can get into a lot of details on the technology of BigCommerce over Shopify, like ability to have unlimited options and variables, ability to be able to customize the checkout even if you are paying $100 a month for a very basic store setup. With Shopify, your minimum to be able to edit the checkout SDK would be like $3,000 per month. They force Shopify Plus for that. The template structure, the search and filter advanced functionalities that you are able to have. The robust API that you get where you can literally create any type of functionality or integration that you would like. And they don't limit their technology. They have open APIs. If you want to just download their checkout SDK, edit it, and re-upload, you have this capability with BigCommerce. BigCommerce is the most open source hosted solution in the marketplace.
Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos on e-commerce, custom development, marketing, and much more. And leave us a comment if you'd like to discuss the contents of this video further.